Hello, and welcome to today's Peaky Card reading. Today's topic is People are saying this about you, but in hushed tones. For that, as usual, we have three piles: pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and please stay till the end of the reading because I'm bringing in the charms and the channeled messages as well. Now, let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see. People say this about you, but in hushed tones. Let's see what do they say. All right, valley. Deep personal strength and peace that assure success. All right. So you are being seen as somebody. People say that you are a very self assured person. People also feel that, you know what, this person is born for success. This person is born to succeed in their life, in their life's endeavors in general. Sun, happiness and well-being. Yeah, also what I'm seeing is with the sun card, I'm seeing, guys, you are entering in a more brighter phase and facet of your life, and you're becoming more and more noticeable. People are noticing you, and hence they are talking about you. In fact, you are being seen as a very, very successful person. You have a very bright, charismatic aura about you, which people are talking about. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. It clearly, a lot of you are actually forming networks. You guys are becoming more and more socially visible. That's what I'm saying. This social visibility is there in you today. Quill, get back to the basics. A lot of you, like, you know what I'm seeing is a lot of you are probably introverts who were not that, or rather introverted lone wolves who were not very comfortable in their social surroundings. But today you have learned that, I need to pick up some social skills as well in order to make a living, in order to survive. Or you have gone through some major overhaul in your persona. That is something I can see. Good news. Yeah, literally, people are talking about your achievements today. A lot of you are actually receiving good news. I'm seeing some increments, some of you getting some pay raise, hike, increments, those kind of things happening for most of you, at least. Eagle, triumph over troubles and obstacles. You know what? This is it. Literally, I'm seeing you guys winning over a lot of troubles and obstacles, and you have reached this good phase, stable stage in your life only after you have been through a lot of trials and tribulations, and people notice that about you. People are talking about that. Arrow, you are on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. I'm seeing you guys are arriving. At last, you guys have arrived. You guys are doing better for yourself at last. That's what people are even talking about. A wish is granted. A lot of you, your wishes are being granted at last. You are getting what you always desired for. Solid foundation, tower, success with efforts. Literally, you guys are receiving the success, the fruits of your labor at last. You are receiving the success that you have always worked hard for. Waterproof. Yeah, I mean, what I'm seeing is, this waterproof, this birds have this waxy layer covering, which helps them stem through the difficult times. Likewise, you have a divine protection around you. You are being guided, you're being protected by divinity, and people realize that. People talk about it, that this is a person who is really, he has or they have a hand, a divine hand on their head For sure, freedom. You are a very emancipated soul, a very free and emancipated person in general. Very disciplined. What people talk about is this is a person, they have been through so much and have come out as a winner on the other side. It's all because of the routine and discipline that they have been following. You're soaring really, really high. You guys are flying very high, soaring, like you guys are at last taking off, like literally a proper take off is happening in your case for sure. King of Swords, we can all learn important things from one another. Literally, you are a very open minded, positive, optimistic, open minded kind of a person. Somebody who is willing to learn and adapt from anybody. Literally, you can learn from anybody, and you're a very open minded kind of a person that way. King of Cups, always compose yourself before giving a response. Yes, you are a person who is, you're very wise. You're being seen as somebody who's very wise and sorted. Very, like, before you give a response, before you say something to somebody, you tend to think over it before you respond. Seven of Wands, you are a person who literally stood the test of time. You are a person who literally, you have that courage to stand up and speak your truth, whatever that might be. You have the courage to speak your truth. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, like, and comment. Your each and every support means the world to me, guys. So please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. Ace of Swords, look at you. You are bursting with sparkly new ideas. Literally, you guys are bursting with sparkly new ideas. I'm repeating myself, yes. But you know what? You are in a phase of new, better creative ideas. You guys are being, a lot of you could be very, very creative. Even in a technical field, you could be that creative person who can think out of their box and people talk about you for sure. You're also very progressive. You will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Literally, you are a person who has been progressing. You're making like progress in leaps and bounds in your life. For sure, you're making big, big progress in your life. The Hierophant. Tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Exactly. You're a very out of the box thinker. Very unique problem solving capabilities that you possess. Your USP is like this is a person who can solve your problem like this, and that too in a very unique way. When people thought, like, what, this problem can't be solved. But no, no, when there is a person like you who is very creative, very out of the box thinker, things can be resolved. And that's what you prove to others as well. Five of Cups. Spilled tea isn't the end of the world. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who have been through a lot of failures. I'm seeing, like, and that has hardened you, that has made you wiser, way beyond your age. That is something that has helped you, that helps you in general to move ahead and do better things in your life. For sure, you are a person, Eight of Pentacles. You are a very hardworking person. You're one of those people who would get up in the morning, start working till it's like time to go to bed. You've got no problem. If you just keep on walking, you'll have no problem. This is what I can see. Like, you are a person who is a workaholic and you love what you do. It's not your chores. It's the thing that you love doing, you enjoy doing, and people talk about it because people notice that about you. King of Pentacles, true success isn't just about money. It's about happiness too, literally. You know what? You are a person who is very successful today, but you know what? Your definition of success is very different. Like, a lot of those people, most people would probably celebrate their success by throwing a success party, a promotion, by throwing a party. But you are one of those people who would probably go to a slum and spend the evening with, or a shelter home and spend the evening with the kids. I'm just giving an example because I probably can relate to that a lot more. So at a personal level, yes, and you would probably do that. So that kind of a person, like a very um empathetic, caring, how much you care about giving to others, that thing is very much prominent in your persona. People notice that, appreciate that, and also they are complimenting you on that. Six of Cups, you will make a fantastic parent if you are not a parent already. If you are a parent, people think that you are a fantastic parent. You are one of those people whom, like, people would park their kids and pets to because they know that they are in safe hands. Kids also love to be around you as well. Nine of Cups. Live in a constant state of gratitude. Literally, you are somebody who is living in a constant state of gratitude. This attitude of gratitude is literally something that has given you so much in life, that has helped you so much getting ahead in your life. This attitude of gratitude that you have. The Empress card. You are a winner. You are literally the queen. I'm seeing you as a person, you're shining brightly, literally resplendent in your own glory. Guys, you're definitely going through one of the better phases of your life. Rather, you're entering one of the better phases of your life, and you're going to enjoy a lot. You're getting a lot of attention because you've worked very hard to reach wherever you have today. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Gemini can be significant for a lot of you. Communication is key. You know what? You guys are great, fantastic communicators. You guys are people who are known for their communication skills. You are known for your speaking abilities and communication skills for sure. Make plans and focus. You are a person who is extremely, you are a great planner, and you're very planned and focus oriented. You're very good a planner. You know exactly where your life is headed towards. You know exactly where you want to see yourself at, like 3 5 years down the line, and you're gonna focus on that as well. Yeah, you've got no problem actually focusing on that as well. Hold your vision. Yeah, you are a visionary. A lot of you guys are a complete visionary. You're literally, you have your life totally planned in advance, if that makes sense. Capricorn new moon. Your hard work is paying off. A lot of you are literally, I'm seeing you're very hardworking, extremely hardworking, determined, driven, focused. You know exactly what you want out of your life, and you literally, you are, if you enter a room, you are probably the hardest working person in the room, and people talk about it. People appreciate that. Some of them are actually intimidated by the amount of energy and power that you bring on, lot of capability, credibility that you bring on table in general. You are a lot tougher than you think you are. Exactly, Wolverine. You are a very tough person. Very tough, very determined, extremely driven, raring to go. You're that kind of a person. Very, very focused about your work. Way tougher than most people would assume. Leo new moon, confidence is your key to success. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of you are very confident. It's your confident demeanor that makes you even more like, it makes you the talk of the town. Even when you are not winning, you're always very confident about your own capabilities, and people always notice that. People always talked and appreciated. Some people will probably call you an overconfident chap, but mostly not so. Bore. Face your problems head on with confidence and courage, and you would emerge victorious. Yes. You are a person who is extremely courageous, very courageous, bold, determined, driven, somebody who is willing to go that extra mile in order to achieve what they want out of their lives. I'm always enough to not doubt your worth. Exactly. You are a person who is very sure of their own worth. Your sense of self-worth, sense of self-confidence is something that makes you stand out, and that is something that makes a lot of people talk about you. Library, take control of your own narrative. You are a person, literally taking control of your own narrative only means one thing: you are a person who is extremely determined, very driven, somebody who cannot be controlled by others, for sure. Tower, unplug and relax for a spell. Exactly. You are a person who has been, like, you are a workaholic. So a lot of them, when they're talking, they might actually say as well that, you know what, this person, they've achieved a lot, they can't achieve more probably, so they probably should relax, take a chill pill once in a while as well. Feast, slow down and celebrate yourself. Exactly. You guys have celebrated your own life. Like, you have learned to celebrate your own, like, even smaller achievements, which probably others won't even recognize. But you have learned to appreciate your own wins, even smaller ones as well, for sure. Pile one, time for the charms. Okay, you are a very wise person, very philosophical, wise person. That's what people feel. You are getting some major wins. You know, you are getting, I'm getting a lot of king and queen energy, typically confident, confident, very self assured, a winner in life. You are an emancipated soul. Transformation has been the key. Of course, you have some, okay, love twice. I'm getting somebody could be proposing to you, a secret admirer for sure. Now, time for the messages. Life is as simple as you keep it, or as complicated as you make it. Absolutely. This is your mantra, that life can stay simple if you wish, or you can get complicated if you wish as well. I was born to fight. I don't believe in giving up. You can do anything to stop me, but you won't be able to. You know, you are being seen as a fighter, and these are your life's mantra for sure. Good boss vibes. You are a good boss. Like, you know, you give off a lot of good boss vibes. You give off a lot of vibes where you give off that boss vibes in general. Networking, I'm seeing you are a person who is a very good networker. You and your social life is just awesome, and the way your communication skills are very good, and people talk about that. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile two. Let's see what people say about you, but in hushed tones. Okay, the first one is the lion, time to act. A lot of you could be Leos, Aries, and Sagittarius. You know, you're raring to go. You are very driven, focused, extremely action oriented kind of people, and people notice that about you. People talk about it, that this is a person who is, like, you know, regarding you, it's everything is all about your work, 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 work. You just walk 24/7. You are that kind of a person. Diamond, you'll be receiving or giving a precious gift. A lot of you, seriously, you're being seen as, you know, a diamond is formed after going through a lot of hardships. Today, people say that about you, that this is a person who has been through so much to become the person, to evolve into the person that they are today. You had to go through a lot to reach the position that you have reached today, and people really respect you for that. I'm saying there could be some people, some secret admirers of yours, who literally think of you as a diamond, as a gift. But a lot of people, literally, I'm seeing a lot of admiration coming your way for sure. Grasshopper, situations in the balance that require careful handling. Literally, you tend to do the balancing act really well. A lot of you could be Librans, by the way. Librans and Sagittarius and Aquarius, very good at balancing different things. A lot of you have a personal life, a thriving spiritual life, a professional life, a social life. Like everything is very much in balance and very much compartmentalized. You are very good at compartmentalizing things. Cup. You should accept valid criticism. Yes, you are a person, you have achieved a lot in life, but you are equally humble. Humility is something that has not left you even after coming this far in life, and people talk about it, that this person, they have no problem as long as you are criticizing them for the right things. They have got no problem with it. That's what I can see. Egg. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Literally, you are a person who is like, you know, you have worked very hard. You have gotten the success at last, but for that, you have worked. I'm saying for some of you, you have worked for years, even a decade, to reach the position that you have reached today. You are at last reaping the benefits of all the hard work that you have put in earlier. Carrot. Opportunity or windfall. You are a person who is like, you know what, I'm seeing you guys at last ripping the benefits. You guys at last, like, you guys are getting a lot of limelight, and naturally people are talking about you. You guys are really shining brightly. You're being very charismatic, very sought after. You are the person people want to discuss things with. You are the go-to person when people are in trouble. Especially a lot of you work in technical aspects, and you guys fare really well there. Okay, secret admirer. A lot of you have secret admirers, guys. I'm seeing like people literally feel that you are meant for bigger things, and some of them are also very romantically attracted towards you. You have created a lot of turmoil. You have created a lot of upheaval. Like, there are people, who are very passionately attracted towards you. They just like, they haven't felt this way in ages for anybody. You tend to evoke such emotions in a lot of people. That's what I'm seeing. Like, you are a person who is very attractive as well, and people talk about it. A lot of them actually would probably like to propose to you, would like to literally come up to you with some love proposition. Some of them actually feel that you are way out of their league, and that's why they have not proposed to you as yet. Needle and thread, a sincere wish will be granted. You are a person who is like, you know what, you are a person who is like, I'm seeing a lot of you, your wishes are being granted. You are like, at last you're able to fulfill the wishes that you had in your life. That kind of a thing I'm seeing. Like, you guys always wanted to achieve this kind of life success, which you're achieving at last, and people notice that about you. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, like. Guys, your each and every comment, like, share, they mean so much to me. So if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. The bird flying news is on the way. Literally, for a lot of you, you guys are actually, either you have gotten a promotion, a raise, or a pay hike, something in those lines, or you are about to receive that. I'm seeing for a lot of you, your short distance travels would increase, thanks to, like, you're going to become way more busier. That is something I can see. Isolation. Yes, a lot of you have been lone wolves. People notice that in spite of all the success, you prefer your own space. A lot of people, they know about you more rather than knowing you in person. That is present for a lot of you as well. Distraction. You are somebody, you know what? You are, you know, what I'm seeing with isolation and distraction, you are somebody, in fact, you are not easily distracted. if you stay isolated, because you feel that with networking and stuff you're probably not great at that, because you feel then I get distracted from my main goal. For a lot of you that happens, and what you have done instead is you try to usually focus on your main goal instead of like doing a lot of socializing, this, that, and the other. You just focus on your main goal and try and achieve as much as you can in the process. Luck, you are a very lucky person. So I'm seeing a lot of you, like people say that, you know what, okay, also you could be a cause of distraction for a lot of people. You're so attractive. So that is it's just a scheme to my mind. So it could also be that way, that people say that this is a person, when they are around we are just distracted. Wow, like literally people love to put you up on a pedestal. They look at you through a more rose tinted glasses. Luck, you are a very lucky person, very lucky. Like people say that this is a person who is like, typically when hard work meets opportunities, what that creates, you are a perfect example of that. You are a firm believer of teamwork. You're great at working at a team level. You can do teamwork really, really well. You are a fantastic team player. You can lead a team very well. You're a very good leader. At the same time, you're a very good team player. Very, very, like, especially at work, even in your family, you are known for being the most congenial persona. Yeah, the cozy witch. Take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. Yes, you have literally, you believe in living every moment of your life to the fullest, because you never know, right? Life can be like really difficult to predict. So you believe in embracing every single moment of your life. Knight of Pentacles. Slowly but surely, you're going places. Literally, you guys are going places in your life. You guys are achieving bigger, better goals in your life. Three of Wands, you guys are really moving out. You guys, a lot of you are actually, I'm seeing some of you are doing a lot of short distance travels, but most of you maybe you have migrated to a different place in your life, and that place, like this transfer of place, change of place, is giving you a lot of abundance, because some places are more suitable for us than the others, and that is something that has worked in your favor as well. Ace of Pentacles, you're very good at making money. You're so good at making money. Like, you're so, so good at making money. And I can see that. You are a fantastic person. You're great at creating opportunities for your own self. For sure. Knight of Swords, you are somebody who is like, you are very driven, focused, goal oriented, determined. All those examples I can think of, these are the adjectives I can think of whenever I'm thinking of you. Three of Pentacles, you are the architect of your own life. Literally, a lot of you are very much, you started with a very humble background. You had a very humble beginning, but you built up on that. Slowly but surely, you started building up on that. And like, a lot of you are actually even self-taught in your own craft. Like, you didn't have a mentor as such. You took some courses, some correspondence, and did the work that was needed, and hence that's how you have reached the position that you have reached today. So that is something I can see, that you are an absolute, you're being seen, like people literally see you as a self-made person. The World card. Yay, you did it. Now do something to celebrate a job well done. Literally, you are a person who has, you have celebrated. You are celebrating the life of your own at last. It's coming from a place where you are unsure. You're coming from a place where you're very unsure of what you wanted to do with your life, where you wanted to get to. From there to getting ahead, to achieving your dreams and hitting your goals in real life. That's a big jump, right? And that is what you have created for yourself. The death card. Wow. You know what? The death shows in tarot are transformation, are regeneration of sort. And you guys have literally transformed and regenerated your own life for better. Knight of Swords, be ambitious, chase your every dream. You are a person. Seriously, I'm seeing you are a person who is extremely ambitious, who is extremely determined, driven, ambitious, focused. Somebody who has been chasing their own dreams in order to achieve the success. Like you are unapologetic about the success. Yes, about whatever you have achieved, and whatever you want to achieve in this life, you're totally unapologetic about it. You're also very responsible. I'm seeing you guys started walking, some of you started walking in your teenage years because you're coming from a very struggling, some of you are like from a very not just humble, very struggling beginnings where you had to become very responsible. You knew that, you know what, right away I got to do things in order to prop my own self up, because if I don't do it for myself, no one else is gonna do it for me for sure. Three of Cups, you guys are actually celebrating your life. I'm seeing you guys celebrating your milestones in life. You guys celebrating some major, massive milestones in your life. And that's a big thing. That's a like a great thing. You guys are at last doing, like you're getting at last your dues. Like you started working and struggling pretty early on in life, and now you're at last getting your dues. Ten of Cups, okay, but sometimes it really is all, it's all rainbows and smile. Yes. You know what I'm seeing? Like you guys are at last achieving the goals, the dreams that you always dreamt of. You guys are at last, like people are noticing that you're living your dream life. The life, maybe it could be like on the beach, a beach house. It could be in the hills and mountains. For me, it is in the mountains. So it could be anything, but you are at last living your dreams for sure. Wheels of Fortune. You are a person who single-handedly have transformed the wheels of fortune, wheels of your fate into wheels of fortune in your favor. You have single-handedly changed your wheels of destiny in your favor. Single-handedly you have transformed your life for better for sure, and people really respect you for that. That this is a person who literally nothing was handed down to them, but they did everything on their own. Queen of Pentacles, there is no need to sacrifice. You can have it all. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who can have everything. You can have everything that you want to have in this life. And like you are literally a believer that, you know what, I can be a good mom, a good wife, at the same time a very good professional, very efficient professional, and an ethical citizen, all at once. I don't have to like sacrifice one for the other. And that kind of a mindset, that not willing to box yourself up in one thing, is a great, great place to start. Four of Swords, why aren't you resting? Yes, you are a person who is like, you're willing to rest. You're willing to, you're not willing to take rest. Like people literally feel that you are always just on the go. You're running around. You're always like, once you achieve one thing, now you're after the next shiny object. Like you're always working. You are a workaholic. Like people literally probably tease you for that. People say that about you, but this is a person who has achieved so much also because of their impeccable work ethics. Nine of Pentacles, you are a person, you know what, you are living your dream life. For a lot of you, you are, or you're entering that phase, and people are noticing that about you, that oh my goodness, their lives are seriously so much better. Bitchfire, stand up for yourself. You are a person who has the guts to stand up and speak out for their own self. Speak up and speak out for their own selves for sure. Don't be afraid to sing. Yes. You know what? You are known for speaking your mind, even if it's like the against the motion of the house. You are known to speak your mind, and that is a major, massive thing. Throne, your potential is endless. You are a person who has got like endless potential about you. You are somebody who is you not just have endless potential, you have also very self-aware, and people realize that this is a person who does not believe in selling themselves short. Pile 2, time for the charms. Okay, unicorn. So clearly, people see you as a very unique person, very rare, very magical. A lot of admirers. You know what I'm getting? You guys are getting a lot of attention these days. You are a very wise person, very busy person. Okay, flying and bee. Typically, I'm seeing you becoming a very busy individual. Somebody who has been flying around a lot, or who are like moving around a lot. A lot of short distance travels is what I can see. A lot of selfies, a lot of like good times ahead. That is what, like, people are noticing you. Good, fortunate times, transformation, beautiful times ahead, and like you guys getting a lot of attention. You know what, people also say that you are a very loyal person, either a loyal person in general, or an animal lover, especially a dog lover for a lot of you, and definitely a lot of admirers. For sure, people literally being heartbroken, attracted, and also wanting to be clicked with you. All right, now time for the messages. I'm deeper than the deep. My aspirations and ambitions. You do not allow me to sleep. People speak of your ambitions. You are a very ambitious person. You are a very hardworking and ambitious and determined kind of a person. Kindness is a choice. You can choose to be a cruel person, but as I said, it's a choice as well. Literally, you are being seen as a very empathetic person. I am a really ambitious soul who knows what they are here to do. Okay, so clearly you are a very ambitious person indeed. You embody a lot of king or queen qualities like confidence, strength, capability, toughness. Yeah, people see you as a very king or a queen persona kind of a person. Somebody who's very confident, very strong, very tough, very capable. I'm always prepared to face whatever life throws at me. I have no problem standing my ground. You are a person who is always prepared to stand their ground. You are a person who knows their mind very well, and you know how to defend yourself for sure. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment, like. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 3. Let's see, what do people say about you but in harsh tones? Okay, the first one is the boot. Increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys have increased your, like, you guys are being seen as somebody who is very diligent, extremely disciplined, driven, focused about their work. You are willing to go that extra mile in order to be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. Victory in some endeavor. People see you as a victorious person, somebody who has achieved something in their lives. That's how people see you. Kangaroo, unsettled times, need to plan ahead. Literally, you are a person who is, I'm seeing you have been through a lot of unsettled times, but that prepared you for the better times. It made you way more disciplined, dedicated, somebody who is a better planner in general. Flowers, happiness. Yes, you know what? You are somebody who is like, your disposition is very happy. You have a very happy disposition. You are a very charming, nice, kind, warm kind of a person in general. Carriage, a journey either physical or mental. Okay, so what I'm seeing, the kind of picture I'm getting here is you are a person who has been through a lot of unsettling times, and that your life has been a journey for you. For most of us, our lives are a journey, right? It's not about the destination. We know where the destination leads us to, but it's the journey that matters, and yours is something that has made you evolve into a better person, into a more respectable person, and people really respect you for what you bring on table today. Key successful outcome to your problems. Literally, you are being seen as somebody who is very successful, very determined, somebody who is very driven, very focused. Bond. Okay, so you know what, people also talk about you as somebody, you are a very family oriented person. You are a very you know very sincere kind of a person when it comes to people that matter to you. You are one of those people whom people would reach out to, very reliable, dependable, whom people would reach out to in times of needs. That's what I can see. Communication, you are a person, you know what, communication is the key for you. A lot of you are great communicators, very eloquent, very very good with words, like having the gift of the gab. That kind of a person you are. And that is something people really respect about you as well. Like, you are somebody who is also, like, some people probably will call you a very smooth talker because you really speak well, or whenever you speak, people just listen. You're also a risk taker. Wow. I mean, what I'm seeing for a lot of you, you're being seen as a very non-conformist kind of a person, somebody who would break away, break free from the normal norms of the society, and would take the risks of doing something which is totally out of their comfort zones. That's what I'm seeing. Illusion. You are somebody, I'm seeing you have faced a lot of devil energy in the past, a lot of illusion energy, a lot of trickery, a lot of devious people in the past. And what that has done is it has unsettled you for a bit, but by and large, it has made you stronger, a better judge of human character as well. Ace of Wands. Don't you see how your passion makes you glow? Exactly. People like respect you for the kind of energy and passion and determination and dedication that you bring on table. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, like, subscribe, comment. Like, guys, your each and every comment, they matter so much to me. So please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. 8 of Cups. If your life feels stale, explore some new scenery. Literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you are a person who is extremely passionate, very determined. Also, you are extremely adventurous. A lot of you have actually left your day job to do something, to jump into a new venture. You have done that. Or maybe with your day job you have a side hustle which actually gives you a lot of emotional satisfaction along with the money. So you are a very adventurous person, somebody who is willing to embrace the new facets of life very easily. You are not very stuck up in your old ways, if that makes sense. 6 of Pentacles, every blessing you give will eventually be returned to you. Exactly. You know what? People realize that you are a very kind person. A lot of you actually tend to work in the volunteering work, tend to do a lot of volunteering work, a lot of, in working in the shelters, maybe animal shelters, maybe rights activism, those kind of things. And people really feel the kind of blessings that you receive because of your unself work is something that helps you go ahead, go forward in life in general. Hierophant, you are a person who is uh, you are very, you are a very good teacher. People see you as a very good mentor figure, somebody who is a good mentor, somebody who is very dependable, somebody who is very reliable, somebody who knows what they're doing with their lives in general. Page of Swords, curiosity is a type of magic. What I'm saying is, you know what, you are being seen as somebody who is very curious, very determined, very driven, very curious, someone who is very self aware in general. You know what your life's worth is. That is a massive, massive thing, guys. Yes, that's a massive thing. Queen of Wands, replace your self doubt with self confidence. Absolutely. You are a person who is, I'm seeing this crossover happen from self doubt to self confidence, from a person who wasn't sure of themselves to somebody who knows exactly what their worth is, who knows exactly where they want to be at, and where and when do they want to reach that position, and they're actively walking towards that. A hustler, somebody who has immense faith in their own abilities, and people speak about that. Knight of Cups, romanticize the present moment every chance you get. Okay, so you are a lover of life in general. People speak of you as somebody who loves life, who believes in living every moment of their lives to the fullest. You are a person who genuinely feels that, what, I have one life to live, so why not live it to the fullest? You've got that kind of a mindset in general. Page of Pentacles, when life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is like, life is giving me lemons, but I would rather not, like, you would not sit, cry, and creep over that. Instead, you will try to make a lemonade out of it. You'll try to make something better out of it. You are very good at looking at the silver lining in every situation. You are those people who would literally, when there is a storm, instead of building a wall, you would build a windmill, if that makes sense. So you are all for like making use of every moment, even if those are adversities. Try to make use of those. Seven of Pentacles, you are somebody who is like, what, you are a person, you're very appreciative of what you have in life today, because there was a time you didn't have all this. You're extremely grateful for everything that you have today, the money, the stability, because you've earned it yourself. And especially today, people tend to take a lot of things for granted, and we tend to cry and crave over nothing. But you are one of those people, you're being seen as one of those people, especially who is very content with where they are at in life. That is what I can see. Strength. It takes great strength to be soft. Yes, you are a person who is very soft, very soft and soft spoken, maybe, very kind, very empathetic, but at the same time, you are being seen as a very strong person, somebody who has the strength and courage of conviction to stand up and speak the truth. Whenever you feel it's not just you, someone else is being discriminated against, you speak up. You don't stay mum, you speak up. Queen of Wands, you are a person who is, you know, you are being seen as somebody who has achieved a lot in life, somebody who is very powerful, yet you're very kind. You're very powerful, but you're very connected, very grounded, very connected with nature. Somebody who has been through those rhythms of life to reach wherever they have today. Five of Cups, of course. You know what? You are a person who has faced a lot of challenges, like most of us have, but you are a very determined soul. That's what people talk about. That this person, they never give up. No matter what the situation was, they never give up. They fought. their way up into the situation. Five of Pentacles, okay, Five of Cups, Five of Pentacles, wow, a lot of fives. N- okay. So one thing with a lot of fives, clearly I'm seeing for some of you, you guys are going through some major changes, positive ones. Things that you could never imagine would happen are happening to you. And that is a little bit startling, a little bit unsettling, but it is what it is, guys. Nothing is ever as hopeless as it seems. Seriously, you are a person who knows exactly, like Five of Pentacles, typically, you have been through a phase where you were totally hopeless about your future. You just didn't know where to go from there. But life had better plans for you. It blossomed, it flourished, and it has really helped you go come this far in life. Two of Swords, you are a person, like, you know what? For a lot of you, I'm clearly seeing you do the balancing act very well. You tend to compartmentalize your life very well. Like, you have a very good career, decent social life, a family life, a good spiritual life, like everything you tend to balance really, really well. And a lot of you have like a day job and a side hustle, and you tend to balance those two as well. The wheels of fortune, number 10 can be significant. Like a lot of you had to literally restart, reboot in their lives. And also I'm seeing completely the wheels of fortune are turning in your favor. The wheels of fate are turning into wheels of fortune in your favor in your life. Literally, with your own hard work, you have been able to transform your own life for better. The Star card, you are a person who is, you know what, you are a person who gets a lot of attention very naturally, very effortlessly. You tend to get a lot of attention. You know what, you are getting a lot of limelight and people are talking about you. You are literally like glowing. A lot of you have had a physical glow up. Also, a lot of you are literally going through the phase where you guys are shining brightly for sure. Two of Cups, some people are like the pumpkin to your spice. Okay, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys have some secret admirers who are, it could be a very good friend, a very compatible colleague, somebody who has had feelings for you but never really confessed. So just be a little bit like, if you are in that stage of life, then probably you could like, look around a little bit. That would be a good place to start. Expect powerful change, of course. I'm seeing you are a person who is like, you are expecting, you are like, people around you feel that you're meant for better things. You have so much potential about you, my dear pile number 3, that people literally feel that this is a person who is meant, I repeat, you are meant for bigger things. That's how people talk about you. Let yourself stand out and be noticed. Peacock, absolutely, you are like a peacock. Somebody who is visibly beautiful, somebody who is known for their, you are known for like standing out, for their, like your ability to stand up and speak the truth. People really respect you for that. Track down your fears and desires. A lot of you, I'm seeing, seriously, you guys are not scared. Like, you are not just not scared, a lot of you have faced a lot of your fears. And you know what, once we manage to face our fears head on, we tend to feel like, yeah, we are invincible now. And that is exactly what has happened in your case. Evil Queen, you deserve sugar and not salt. Clearly, you are a person, you know, whenever people try to pull you down, judge you, you know how to give it back. Today, you have learned how to give it back in their own penny, in their own currency. You do not take nonsense from others, and people laud you for that. Make the change. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of you having some kind of a glow up, some kind of a makeover for sure, and people are appreciating that. Homeward, Take yourself out on a date. Yeah, I'm saying you are a person who is like, you taking yourself out on a date. You are a person in this today's hyper connected world. You have got no problem being in your own company solely and doing the things that you love doing. That is what I'm seeing for you. You can manifest your energy, your every wish. Literally, people also talk about how great a manifester you are. Literally, guys, you guys have manifested your current reality into being, and people seriously respect you for that, for who you are, who you have turned yourself into. Pile 3, time for the charms. You, my dear pile number 3, you are an emancipated soul. Okay, somebody is offering their hearts to you. Okay, a lot of you are getting into fitness, or I'm seeing some of you are moving around, but fitness, biking, running, gymming, it's a very strong observation there. You guys are actually moving around with this nautical sign. I'm seeing maybe a cruise, maybe a vacation, and you could be meeting somebody special. That's a channel message I'm getting. You know what, you are, a lot of you could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpios, or related to the water bodies. Like you could be going to, okay, this nautical and the fish, a lot of you could be going into like near the sea or some river, lake, some water body could be residing or maybe vacationing there. A lot of you could be water signs as well. You could be having a hidden enemy or a hidden admirer. For a lot of you, I'm hearing actually hidden admirers for sure. Music does play a significant role. Some of you are probably very good musicians as well. All right, that's what people say, by the way. Your kindness and compassion makes you stand out. Absolutely. You are being seen as a very kind, compassionate, generous kind of a person in general. Success is the sum total of all the apparently trivial efforts you put in and day out. Absolutely. You know what? You are seen as a very disciplined person, somebody who would put in the work even when nobody is watching. You are such a worthy human being. Literally, people see you as a very worthy and capable human being. Charming, radiant, and vivacious. You are a vivacious person. You are a person who is very vivacious, very bright. You tend to brighten up the room the moment you enter it. That kind of vivaciousness I'm seeing. You have disappointed me. You have let me down, but I haven't let you break my spirit. It's the spirit that keeps my dreams alive. Literally, you are being seen as a fighter as well. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. Guys, if yes, please hit the like button, share, like, comment, subscribe. Your support would mean the world to me. Thank you. Namaste.